Okay, everybody, let's get it started here. Little Black Eyed Peas talking about what's going on this week. First and foremost, Dean Packard, Principal Child Middle School, and
Rogalski, Assistant Principal, Charlton Middle School.
we wanted to get out one more quick message to all of you about Thursday's open house. It's so important that we make sure that you have all the information you need so your child can be as successful as possible.
Absolutely. As we get ready for the last full week of summer, we want to make sure we can get the fifth graders and any new students in here for our tour of the school, and basically just get everyone acclimated for a smooth transition in a week and a half.
Yeah, there's a link below. Make sure we have 84 signed up right now. We've got about 140 in the class. Please make sure you take advantage of this opportunity. It's really simple. It's going to be from 10 to 12:15, 12:30. We've got a scavenger hunt. We've got a quick little tour. We're going to have some fun. We've got a great food cart. But more importantly, it's about the kids having an opportunity to walk around their school, hitting the places on the scavenger hunt, which will be part of their overall schedule, so they feel really comfortable about coming to the school.
Absolutely. They'll be able to meet myself, Mr. Packard, our great administrative secretarial team. We're going to have some of the teachers and hopefully guidance counselors in here as well, so we can work through them and just so they can put a name to a face. And most importantly, Mr. Packard, to get over their fear of lockers, part of the scavenger hunt is we're going to give them an opportunity to try to open a locker.
Yeah, we always say lockers. You get a chance to get that combination lock and work it a little bit at home. That'll make them feel a lot easier when it comes to opening up a locker here. But I'll tell you what, it's really simple. And our job on this particular day for 2.5 hours is to make it as simple as possible. So when they leave, they feel really comfortable coming on the first day of school. And part of this whole thing is here, just so you're all aware, you're going to have an opportunity to speak directly with me. We're going to have a quick overview of what's going to happen for the day. Then we're sending the kids out with student ambassadors to go around the building. And then I'm going to ask parents to stay with me and Mr. Rogalski. And we're going to give you the lowdown of what it's really going to be like over the next 4 years. And I'll tell you what, it's an exciting time. And we're going to answer any questions that you might have.
Yeah, we're looking forward to it. We're looking forward to seeing you and your kids and our next round of little grizzlies.
Little grizzlies.
That's what we like to call them.
Doesn't get any better than that. Listen, we'll see you guys on Thursday. Please take a second to fill out the link below. More importantly, we're excited to see you guys here on Thursday morning. Any questions, reach out to us anytime, okay? Have a great day, everybody. See you on Thursday.
See you on Thursday.